Hello, good morning, dears. So, in our previous class, we have seen a new story by Jayant Narlikar. Okay, what was the name of the story? Adventure. We have seen in Adventure there was a historian named Professor Gayatonde. Okay, and how he had shifted his thoughts from real world to parallel world, means imaginary world. We have seen in the story. Okay, the story was that we have seen in our online class. There was a historian, okay, who was going Mumbai to Pune, okay, for addressing on third battle of Panipat. But when he was returning back, okay, when he was coming back to Mumbai, so that time he had an accident. Okay, so causes of accident, okay, due to accident he had lost his memory. Okay, and when he had accident, so that time he was thinking about Panipat third battle. Okay, he was thinking that the Maratha should win the victory, Maratha should win the war. Okay, and Maratha must defeat Afghani rulers. Okay, means Ahmad Shah Abdali. But the Marathas leader Bishwas Rao was shoot by Abdali. Okay, so why he was shoot? Okay, he must be safe, he must be keep safe himself. Okay, why he died? So he was thinking like that. He was thinking that Maratha should win the battle. Okay, they should not lose the battle. Okay, and they should not be defeated. Okay, by Afghani rulers. Okay, so he was thinking that a bullet was fired. Okay, a bullet was fired by Afghani to Bishwas Rao. Then Bishwas Rao was died. Okay, so he should not died. Okay, and the history should be changed. Okay, he was thinking that Maratha should win the battle and Afghanis are defeated by Maratha. Okay, so like that he was thinking, but that time he had an accident, so his thoughts, okay, his thoughts were shifted to the parallel world. Okay, and now he starts thinking in parallel world. Okay, so we have seen that when he was coming back, now he had to come to Mumbai, but as he shifted his world in parallel world, okay, imaginary world, so he shifted his mind before independence, and means before post independence. So before, in the real world he has to come to Mumbai, but in parallel world he had to come in Bombay, because it was Bombay before independence. Okay, so then he saw that there were many factories, there were many union buildings, and there were many Union Jack flag of England, because we know that we were the colony of English people. Okay, we were the colony of English. So that's why he saw the effect of colonialism in his way. Okay, so then he came to a library where he wanted to see the history. So he had seen there 4 volumes of history. Okay, but history was as it is in 4 volumes. Okay, he saw from Ashoka to third battle of Panipat. So history was same, there was no any difference. But when he starts learning a book, Bhau Sahevanchi Bakhar. Okay, there was a book Bhau Sahevanchi Bakhar. So from the book he came to know that Marathas won the third battle of Panipat. Okay, and Afghanis were defeated by Maratha in that battle. Okay, and he came to know that this Vishwas Rao and Bhau Sahab were escaped from the bullet of Afghani. Okay, Vishwas Rao was escaped from Afghani's bullet. Okay, so then Maratha won the battle. Okay, and Afghanis were defeated by Maratha. Okay, so then it was time to get over the library. Okay, so suddenly he kept he kept this book in his pocket, okay, when he has to leave the library after completion of time of library, okay. So he kept the book, then he went to the Azad Maidan, okay, he went to Azad Maidan where there was a speech, okay, sorry, he has to go, then he went to Azad Maidan, he saw there were many people waiting for chairperson, okay, all the chairs were filled, all the chairs were occupied, but there was a chair on the stage of chairperson was unoccupied, was empty. So he sat on the chair, okay. Then he starts giving lecture, he starts giving a speech, okay, but people didn't like to listen to him because they were waiting for the chairperson, okay, and he starts delivering his speech, so they don't know him, okay, so that's why they starts just dropping him tomato and eggs, okay, people throw tomato and eggs on him, okay, to whom? Professor Gayatonde. And now Professor Gayatonde was lost in the crowd, okay, Professor Gayatonde lost in the crowd right now, okay, and he in the library, when first he came to the office of Forbes building, okay, I forget to tell you, when he came to Bombay, when he has to come to in place of Mumbai, Bombay, it was the time of before post independence era, okay, and then in Forbes building he asked about Mr. V. Gayatonde, but he didn't find this man because he was traveling in his imaginary world, okay, and it was the before post independence time. Then he has to go to library. In library he read about 4 volume of the history. It was the same, but in the 5th volume he came to know that Maratha won the victory and Afghanis were defeated by Maratha, and Sadashiv Rao was escaped from bullet of Maratha, from the bullet of Afghani, okay. So then Maratha won the battle, and it starts the timing of democracy, okay. So then he saw that it was the time of democracy starting, okay. So then he went to Azad Maidan, he occupied a seat of chairperson, he starts delivering his speech, but no one want to listen about his speech, and just people throw eggs and tomato. Then he lost in the crowd, okay. So when he lost in the crowd, when he just keep close his eyes, when he opened his eyes, he saw that he was in real world, okay. Now he was in real world, okay, and he saw his one of fast friend Mr. Deshpande, and Mr. Deshpande told to him that you are in now you are in a real world, okay. So it is called the catastrophe theory, okay, it is called a catastrophe theory. So Mr. Deshpande explained him that when you came from when you were in Pune for delivering a speech on Panipat 3rd battle, so when you were returning back to Mumbai, so you had an accident, and in your mind there were many thoughts related to Panipat 3rd battle, okay. So then you had an accident, so in your mind there was going on that why Maratha lost the battle, Maratha should win the battle, and how Vishwas Rao fired by Afghani, okay, Vishwas Rao must escape from bullet of Afghani. So you were thinking like that, so then you had an accident, and that time immediately your thoughts shift in parallel world, okay. So one person may exist more than 2 word, one or more than 2 word at once in a one time. One person can shift his thought, okay, from one word to another word, and another word will be imaginary world or parallel world, okay, that will be totally different to the real world, okay. Imaginary or parallel world will be totally different to real world, okay. So he told that I in my pocket, okay, he told that I know Maratha won the war, okay. I came to know by the book in my pocket named Bhau Saheb Chibakhar, okay, Bhau Saheb Chibakhar. So I have known from the book that the Maratha won the victory. Maratha won the battle in Panipat third war. Okay, Maratha won over Afghani ruler in Panipat third battle. So it is a real history, but Mr. Deshpande replied, it is not real history, my dear. It is imaginary history. Okay, and it is the history from parallel world that you have imagined when you had an accident. Okay, so in reality, now you are in real world. In reality, Maratha lost the battle and Afghani won the battle, and Vishwas Rao was shooted by Afghani rulers. Okay, so Maratha lost the battle. Okay, and when their leaders Vishwas Rao, Bhau Saheb were killed in the war, so their morale was down. Okay, so when their morale was down, so they are defeated by Afghani ruler. Okay, so he put his hand in his pocket and he showed the notes, he showed the book. Okay, but it was not a real book. It was the speech which he had delivered in Pune. Okay, it was the speech. It was some pages of his speech. Okay, which he had delivered in Pune, and when he was returning back from the Pune to Mumbai, he had an accident. So he was lost in the thought, and before the accident he was thinking about the third battle of Panipat. Okay, and in his imagination there were many things about Maratha and the Afghanis. Okay, so then his thoughts were shifted to the parallel world. Okay, and now he had come to know that it was not the book Bhau Saheb Vanchi Bakhar, it was the same pages of the speech that he had delivered in Pune. Okay, so now the lesson deals with two theory. The one is the quantum theory, the one is the catastrophe theory. Catastrophe theory tells that, okay, if we talk about the catastrophe theory, the theory tells that when we were thinking if our situation is going to be changed, okay, so our thought must be changed. Okay, means if our situation, if we talk about our situation, if our condition has changed, okay, so our thoughts also change. Okay, in changing our situation, it is happened shifting our thoughts. Okay, and number two, if we talk about the quantum theory, so we have known about the atoms. Okay, in nucleus, if we talk about the electron, so electrons are unpredictable. Okay, electrons are unpredictable in any atoms. Okay, if we talk about the nucleus, so in the nucleus there are many electrons, so they are unpredictable. Okay, they can jump from higher place to lower place. Okay, so it was about the quantum theory. And if we talk about the catastrophe theory, so in catastrophe theory, if there is change in your if there is a change, and if there is going to be change in your situation, okay, so your thoughts also changed. Okay, in that situation, in that condition. Okay, so we'll see question answer in next video. Thank you.